Hello, hashtag VB Wise Words. Last time we talked about relationships, Mjolo, and monogamy in men, which, like a unicorn, does not exist. It's a myth and a fairy tale. Which, ladies, you give yourselves blood pressures, BPs, because you expect fairy tales to exist. You will never find a man, my sister, who will sleep with you alone in this world, or even the next, or even the other next world in 3D, or if you want. Because why do men cheat? Men cheat because they're sexual, they're carnal, they're physical. Yes, they can love you if you believe in that. Yes, he can respect you. Yes, he can take you for a wife, but he will still want to sleep with other women. That's the honest truth. That's another angle of looking at it. And what can you do then, Margaret, so that you don't suffer, so that you feel? What you can do, Margaret, is that make the most of it, my dear lady. Make the most of it. When you're in a relationship, enjoy it. When you're in a relationship, be in a relationship for you. Be selfish at that point so that you enjoy that relationship. Don't expect a lot from someone, because you won't receive a lot, you receive less. The only thing which you receive more of is heartache and sadly maybe disease, HIV and STDs. So the reason why Mjolo Walinyisa, the reason why Mjolo is making you suffer a lot, is you are expecting too much, and do not expect too much. And before I go, let me just talk about the rollout of the vaccine. Yes, now it's 18 to 35. They are vaccinating, they're registering. Please keep on registering so that the economy can open up, so that we can all do what we like. We can all go back to not wearing masks like before. It won't end corona, no, but what will minimize it is you do what you're doing, keep the curfew, wash your hands, sanitize. Thank you so much for now.